This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook rosemary garlic lamb shank. Get ready to create a truly unforgettable meal that's surprisingly simple to master. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring your lamb shanks are incredibly tender, infused with aromatic rosemary and garlic, and bathed in a rich, savory sauce. This classic dish is perfect for a cozy dinner or impressing guests, promising a delightful culinary experience every time you prepare it. First, let's prepare our lamb shanks for maximum flavor. Begin by trimming any excess fat, then generously season them all over with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, in a hot, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, sear the shanks until they're beautifully browned on every side. This crucial step creates a fantastic crust and locks in all those delicious juices, building a foundational layer of flavor for our incredible dish. Don't rush this part. Now it's time to build our aromatic braising liquid. After searing, remove the shanks and sauté chopped onions, carrots, and celery in the same pot until softened. Add plenty of minced garlic and fresh rosemary sprigs, letting their fragrances fill your kitchen. Deglaze the pan with a splash of red wine or beef broth, scraping up all those flavorful bits from the bottom. Return the shanks to the pot, cover them with more liquid, and let them slowly braise until fall off the bone tender. Finally, let's bring it all together for a spectacular finish. Once your lamb shanks are incredibly tender, carefully remove them from the pot. Strain the braising liquid, discarding the solids, and return the liquid to the heat. Reduce it until it thickens into a rich, glossy sauce. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Serve your succulent rosemary garlic lamb shanks generously drizzled with this amazing sauce, alongside creamy mashed potatoes or polenta, for a truly comforting and impressive meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.